Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight the Australian dollar has failed to stage any significant rebound since posting a low or a 20-month low of 72.01. It is viewed that the US dollar could strengthen further, but do be a little bit on your guard, as the fact is that overnight we did get a slight negative signal here from this doji, which shows some indecisiveness on the sell-off from the last 24 hours. Today we do have the unemployment reports. At the moment, the forecast is unlikely to see a change in the unemployment rate of 5.4%. However, the unemployment change is a little bit lower. Previous month was 50.9 thousand. This month we're only looking at 15,000. If we do get a weaker number, then we could see a slightly sell-off in the Aussie, looking towards a target of 71.75.85. And since the break of 72.55, my objective is still coasting to a target of 69 to 70 cents. Although the technical implications are a little bit low, the ADX is trending, and then the MACD is also supporting the decline. Now, overnight, we did get, as I say, a slightly firmer US dollar, and the market fell towards the lows of 113 before staging a mild recovery and posting a doji here, which is also indecisiveness. At present, though, the dollar index is holding around 96.60 after posting a fresh 14-month high of 96.85. It is assessed, though, a break of 112.85 would open way further to the downside and bring an objective around 110. Now, at present, I am holding the view to the dollar index of reaching the highs around 97 to 98. So this supports the downside view. Any rally is viewed as an opportunity to sell above 114 and around the region of 114.20.85. The dollar yen took a slip from the 111 handle yesterday and now looks back towards the region of 110.10.15, which was the recent low, with a posted outside range day and looking quite negative here since the break beneath the 50 midway point on the RSI could see further weakness, and I say to that challenge of 110.10.15. In the event we get a break above 111.15, this would give further hope of a recovery to 111.60.70. The pound little unchanged, but it is getting close to the level of 126.60.65. Now, overnight we did see a low of 126.61 and slightly rebounded, but nevertheless the technical implications are negative and still giving some concern that we could see a region of 124 in the coming few days. Since crushing the support overnight of 1,180, the fact is that the gold outlook is still negative. So far, it has free fallen to a low of 1,160 and bounced slightly. The indicator is overheating extremely here on the ADX. It is extremely oversold. I don't have a view here, purely for the fact is that the market is still looking for further stops by the price action that we're seeing this morning. The support, though, comes in now at 60, and then beneath that I see 55, and then down towards the region of 50 to 52. To wrap up with oil, the market at this stage took out the trigger level of $66 overnight and plummeted, and now looks towards the region of $62 a barrel, which is the call I've had for quite a while now. Reassess from there, as we could see some profit taking in front of that level, but nevertheless the market is still quite bearish and is trending, so I do expect to see the weakness to continue. Resistance on the day now comes in at 65.15 to 66.50.80. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.